Hey guys, today we're going to talk about weeding your landscape bed. I know this is a really hard project or task for a lot of people to do, so I wanted to cover how I do it and have a lot of fun while weeding a landscape bed. A couple of things I would like to keep in front of mind is that this doesn't have to be a big chore. It can be a really fulfilling task that you do just at the end of the day, part of an evening routine, maybe for 15 minutes a night. It can be maybe a way to escape if you need a little quiet time or time to yourself or your friends and family. Growing up in a landscaping household, oftentimes I would find myself with my mom out in the garden weeding while she would read books to us. And that was some of the best time of my childhood, was doing something productive while my mom was pouring time into us through literature. So if you've got kids, an excellent option to keep them busy and keep your yard and garden looking great is to give them chores. We would get about a cent per weed, so you can hire your kids to do chores for you, or you can just have them do chores because it's their responsibility and they can help out around the house. However you decide to parent, that's your choice. As someone who lived through that and complained about it a lot, I would say as an adult that it was a really transformative and enjoyable time of my childhood. Also as an adult, I've continued the tradition of weeding while listening to literature. This is an excellent time to do podcasts or listen to an audiobook, or just listen to music and chill out and have a nice beverage at the end of the day. My preferred beverage is coffee, but whatever you choose to lighten up the mood of your task is up to you. So here's how I would go through weeding my landscape bed. For example, these guys. Out of place, don't belong, wrong variety. So they don't belong, they're weeds. We're gonna throw them over there. Just start on one side of your landscape bed and work your way to the other. Put in a good podcast or audiobook and enjoy. A nice fistful of weeds, a clean landscape bed, and a nice 15-minute distraction. And that only took about 15 minutes. So if you have a landscape bed that's full of weeds and you don't know what to do and it's overwhelming and it makes you feel like your house just doesn't look good, then take some time, both for your house, for your landscape bed, and for yourself, and get out there and just take it one weed at a time, one section at a time. So take it one section at a time, put in a good audiobook, or just keep watching YouTube. Get yourself a snack or a treat and enjoy yourself. If you've got a landscape project that you're working on and you want help with that, then I've got a step-by-step guide that will help you walk through doing your landscape while saving you time, stress, and money. I want you to have that, so go ahead and download it, print it off, and use it. It's in the description of this video, so please help yourself and enjoy having a nicer, cleaner yard and garden. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.